Go.
Oh yeah, sorry. So, welcome to Marny and Marica's Whip My Hair cooking show.
With dancing.
We're gonna make crepes tonight. We got an audience. Okay, so here we go.
Direction.
Okay, we gotta turn the music off. Alright,
Read them to me.
here we go. You might have to get up and really, watch her.
This is where the action happens.
Alright, so 1 cup flour.
1 cup of flour. You get your measuring cup right here. Get your flour bag. Assistance, please.
Alright.
Got our mixing bowl. We're not just gonna whip our hair, but we're gonna whip.
We're gonna whip the batter. We're gonna whip the batter.
1 cup, 1 cup.
Over the bowl.
1 cup, 1 cup.
1 cup, 1 cup. Oh shit. Oh.
This
Sorry.
is for kids. We're going to bleep
Wait,
that out.
put it over the bowl. And fail.
Oh,
This is why you don't learn from the Marny and Marica's cooking show.
Okay,
Alright.
next. Oh, can I get a whipping spoon, please?
That would be mine.
A whipping spoon. What's next? What's next?
1/8.
What's next? What's next?
1/8 of salt.
1/8.
1/8.
1/8. 1/8. 1/8.
1/8. 1/8. 1/8. 1/8.
It's harder than it looks.
Why? Oh, there you go.
There you go. And mix. 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 And mix.
And now I need 1, 2, eggs. 2 eggs.
2 eggs. 2 eggs.
2 eggs. 2 eggs. Here, crack them, put them in, and I'll get a whipping spoon.
Oh, and then the magic happens.
Out with my hair back and forth. Out with my hair back and forth.
Don't get hair in the mixing bowl. That would not be good. All right, here we go.
Throw the. You can throw the shells in the sink.
Okay.
No, right there in the bag.
Oh, okay. 1 egg, 1 egg. 2 eggs, 2 eggs. Whipping master. Here she comes.
Wait, with the batter. Wait, with the batter. I can push me with the batter. Wait, 1 cup milk, girl. Uh-oh.
1 cup, 1 cup.
Miles. Miles is the little garbage can here in case some scrappies fall.
All right, here we go. With the 1
cup
cup of milk. 1 cup, 1 cup.
1 cup, 1 cup. 1 cup milk. 1 cup of milk.
1 cup of milk. And then you whip.
I whip my batter back and forth. I whip my batter. Okay, and then last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of melted butter.
Here we go. Your butter is way too hard. You just put it into the microwave for about 20 seconds, and then it looks like that. And then you can add it to your mixture, like so. And then what do?
I whip my batter back and forth. I whip my batter back and forth. Oh, no.
What's my name?
Oh, no.
What's my name?
Oh, no.
What's my name?
What's my name?
What's my name?
Not everybody knows how to work my batter. Knows how to make. Wait, what's it? Not everybody knows how to work my batter. Knows how to make me want it. Boy, you stay up on it. You got this something that keeps me so hungry. I'm at a loss for words. I'm at a loss for words.
Okay.
Sorry. We're not drunk, by the way. Okay, you whip it.
see if I can whip it and my hair at the same time.
Alright. Just make sure it doesn't go.
That's right. Okay.
Okay, now we need to heat a frying pan up, medium heat. We'll grab a spoon. You got this. We need a spoon.
Keep that whipping action going. Make sure that batter's smooth.
Wait, we should just finish this.
Alright.
Put that in. It says to use put 2 tablespoons of batter in. Hold on. So when we pour it in, well, no, whatever. We can use a regular.
Assistant, can I get some help with my hair, please? Thank you. Sometimes that would be action. Get a little too crazy.
Oh, where did I put that spoon?
Which one?
Oh. All right, let's try our first one.
Here we go.
Oh.
Do you want to, shall we just pour?
Oh, okay.
Let's just pour.
This is just a bit. It has to be really thin.
Okay.
And it says to spread.
Spread that batter.
Spread that batter.
Oh, we'd like to keep it in a circular shape if at all possible. That's okay.
Should we add a bit more?
Maybe a little bit.
Maybe we should up the heat a bit.
Up maybe.
Okay.
Won't you Bye, Marielle.
Bye, Marielle.
Marielle.
Oh, this isn't so successful.
Do we have
Wait, did you put it straight in the pan?
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh, no, that's what it says. And then you
Put
spread
it
it
straight.
around. And you spread it around in the pan.
Why don't you just with a spoon? Can I video him right now?
Yeah, he's gonna.
Oh.
Duty.com.
Okay, there's only like 50 seconds.
Oh no. Okay.
Oh, were we supposed to put butter in there?
No, it
Okay.
didn't even say. Oh.
Flip? It looks too thin.
It said it has to be thin. No? We'll be back for another episode of
Marica and Marny's cooking show.